Oh, I wanted the music to keep playing. I wanted the music to keep playing. Look at the fire in the background. Oh, buddy. Are you guys, it's Christmas time, guys. Are we not excited? Are we not excited? You know, like, it's the happiest time of year. Even at the this is the first Christmas that we've celebrated at the BDH. I hope Santa Claus knows my new address, because I think I've been a good boy. You know, I think I've been a good boy this year. Oh, good morning, good morning. Nice to see you guys. We're back for another day, another dollar. Having a good old time here. We got the fire burning. We got the Christmas tree. Ginger, the little elf, stayed up all night to get it set up for you guys. I told her that we needed the Christmas tree, and we got it. So, good morning, good morning. Are you guys I'm fired up. Who's fired? I'm fired up. Make some money today. Overnight, market making some move, 25,490. Eggnog, you know, it's a little early for eggnog. I'll take some C4 to get the Christmas spirit going, you know. Big shout out to Apex. This is the last day, guys. John from Apex told me that if I don't get at least 1,000 sales today, he's not gonna buy me a present. So, you know, if you're thinking about signing up for Apex, today might be the day. So I'm putting it out there, you know, 80% off, $10 PA fees, the 100K account. Come on, let's show Johnny Boy from Apex how much we love him. I think sometimes if we get him, you know, you never know, he might drop some free stuff in the chat. Who, you know, they're watching. Everybody's watching. Everybody's watching. They all want to see what PW is gonna do today. Well, I think I'm gonna make it rain. Little green, little dollar bills, like Christmas time. Yeah, no. Oh fuck. Now Apex. John from Apex just said if I don't sell 2,000 accounts a day, that they're gonna cut me off, and I won't be able to afford my new boat. Very sad. I'm picking up my new boat tomorrow. That's exciting. You guys excited for me? I'm excited for it. Oh, man. It's funny, I was looking at some, I was looking at that old video that I made like 8 years ago when I got 5,000 subscribers here on the channel, right? I kind of watched that video yesterday with you guys, and it was funny because in that video, I was talking about, you know, oh, how many views I've had and all of this stuff. So it's funny to look at it now. It's not even there. Kidding me. See, I got my views are so big that I can't even show them on the internet anymore. But look at this. So I started my YouTube channel back in 2017. 2017, I started the YouTube channel. And since then, we've made almost $500,000. Almost $500,000 from YouTube. We've gotten 503,000 subscribers. We got 7.1 million watch time hours, right? You guys just be watching me all the time. We've got 51.3 million views. We got 1.9 million likes. We got 235,000 shares and 303,000 comments since I started my YouTube channel. So what a time to be alive, man. What a time to be alive. That's right, we're back. Another day, another dollar. Ooh, what's going on with Twitter today? We got some payouts. Looks like number 2 payout. This guy, come, hey now, I gotta call risk management and be like, sir, deny the payout. We can't be having double payouts. You can't be getting 2 payouts, okay? You know, come on now. Daddy's got to make some money here somehow. If everybody's getting paid out at Warbucks, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna be out of a job. I'm gonna have to sell everything. So yeah, big shout out to Ashan Ali. Ashan Ali. He looks like he lives, what's that flag? Is that Dubai, Emirates or something? Is that the Emirates? What is that flag? Fucking A, man. Guy's making money. Let's go. All right, so yeah, he just submitted a payout for $498. Congratulations. Some more payouts. I think this was from last week. We paid out $19,000 for one payout. $19,000 at Warbucks. $80. That's the cool thing too, like I said, is there is no profit target, right? With Warbucks, there's no profit target. So the minimum payout is $100. That's the minimum. So, you know, you make what you want. I mean, pretty much. So we're back. We're doing it live. We got a Christmas tree. Well, we got a Christmas tree. We got a fire. It's Christmas, baby. Are you guys not fired up? I mean, it's the Santa Claus rally, baby. It's coming. This music's kind of going hard now. Looking at the NASDAQ here. Pushing up there to Sunday high right now. What's funny is yesterday, if you watched the live stream yesterday morning, well, what did we talk about? What did we talk about happening, chat? Anybody remember? Anybody remember? Anybody remember? There's somebody in the chat has to remember. What did we talk about yesterday? Anybody? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Nobody remembers? The gap fill. That's right, the gap fill. Guess what? Well, we filled the fucking gap. We filled the gap. It just took a while. It was kind of like you know, the market yesterday was kind of like it was funny because you had like that pop at open, the drop, it rips back up, it kind of pulls back like 100 points again. It rips all the way up, it pulls back 100 points again. And then finally, after about 11 o'clock, we started to get an actual trend. And we pushed up there, we filled that gap to the 500 level, pulled back to the VWAP, held the VWAP into close. And well, here we are now. above yesterday's high. So what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Yeah, what happened to, what the real question is, what happened to Kyle? Kyle said the market was gonna be red, red, red. Yeah, right, sir. Some asshole called your beautiful lady ugly, and it made me and my girlfriend mad. Well, yeah. Hey, remember, like I always say, chat, they just jealous. They want to be like us. They want to, you know what I mean? Like they want what we have. You know, we got the BDH. What do they got? They got little DH. You know, the LDH. We a part of the BDH, and all of our haters, they a part of the little DH, the LDH, BDH, LDH, BDH, LDH. Don't forget that, Chad. Don't forget that. Once you become a member of the BDH, you're a lifelong member. Lifelong memberships. We're selling lifelong memberships here. Lifelong memberships. Sign up for life. Become a BDH member. Whip it out. Let the world know. And by the way, there is no size requirement. I know people think that like, oh, well, what's the size requirement? The same idea that Warbucks doesn't have a profit target, the BDH does not have a size requirement, because at the end of the day, it's all about how you feel. You know, I have a 3-inch dick, but I'm telling you, man, it's huge. It is the biggest 3-inch dick you're ever gonna see. And that right there, my friends, that is power. That is the ultimate power, right? People think that the secret to life is trying to figure out how to get rich. The secret to life, my friends, is figuring out how to convince somebody that your 3-inch dick is actually huge. If you can do that, I promise you one thing. If you can convince somebody that it actually is big, then you can do anything. You can do anything, I'm telling you. 3 inches at 100 miles an hour gets the job done every time. All right? Boom, the secret is out. Sign up for the BDH membership today. No size requirement. It's just all up here, my friends. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. We are fired up. Happy Hanukkah. Fucking the Kwanzaa and whatever else crazy holidays out there people be celebrating. We're out here having a little bit of C4 eggnog this morning. Fired up. Fired up. Someone said I'm lying. You think I'm lying about 3 inches? You think I would lie about that? Like you think it's smaller than 3 inches? Damn. I mean, I thought like if I say it's 3, people will be like, oh man, I'm sure it's not really 3, you know? Brandon Alvera says, do you believe in God? Let me ask you, Brandon, do you believe in God? Because I know the answer. And we good. Thank you, though. All right, NASDAQ. 25,510s. On the hourly chart, we put in a lower high overnight. We took out kind of this low 300 area, pushed up here. We're running into kind of a triple top now. So, man. What does it look like? You know, what do we look? Ugh. Santa Claus rally. I made a video yesterday talking about the end of year Santa Claus rally. Will it come true? I think today will be the deciding factor. If we can't break out here today, the market might be pulling back again. So today, the bulls need to get moving. They kind of want to get that squeeze happening, right? There's not any major news today. Bro, all my indicators aren't working, or one of them's not working. Oh my Lord. It says indicator error. Sir, we ain't gonna be able to trade today. I am not gonna be able to figure out what a bull flag looks like without my indicator. Guys, might as well just go home now. Just go home now, chat. It's over. There's no point in even trying. There's no point in even trying. I'm telling you, there's no point. even try it, man. Don't try. Or maybe do try, but don't try. Big shout out to Lucid Trading right now. These accounts have been selling. I'm not gonna lie, I might be able to afford a bigger boat after this sale ends because, well, you guys are liking that Lucid funding right now. Lucid Flex accounts, 40% off. Use the code PW. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. I might just start wearing a Santa Claus outfit to the BDH every day. I feel like I'm in Santa Claus's little workshop here. A little workshop. Make D Money dress up like an elf though. He definitely ain't Santa Claus. I'm Santa Claus. He's the elf. Who's the guy that works underneath Santa Claus? You know, there's a little helper. There's like every movie, there's always that one guy, right? It's always that one guy, you know? What's his name? What's his name? There's a name, right? No, D Money is definitely not Miss Claus. He's not my type. Now, the little Filipino man got fired, man. He was drunk yesterday, didn't do his job. He got fired. He out of here. No, I'm telling you, there's a name for the little guy, man. There's a name for the little elf that helps Santa Claus. Am I confused right now? I swear there's somebody out there. It's like, that's like the famous person. You know, hey, I help Santa Claus. You guys don't, you know what I'm talking about? Really? Really? You don't know what I'm talking about? Oh, I don't even feel like we need to trade anymore. We might just relax and just sit here and carol with you guys the rest of the day. Rudolph, no, yeah, Bernard. Fucking dude. Fucking dude. D Money is my Bernard. Jerome is definitely high. He at the North Pole trying to break in right now. Yeah, no, I think Jerome is definitely at the North Pole. Yeah, but Bernard. Yeah, I know. See, I knew it. Bernard. Yeah, Brett Simba, is he the Grinch? I don't know. He might, you know, the Grinch at some point becomes everybody's friend. So maybe this week, you know, maybe Brett's gonna, you know, he'll put the offer out there. I'm waiting. We had a meeting. Me and Brett were talking business. I told him very simply, like, look, Brett, you know, you want the biggest, you want the largest, you gotta pay for them. You don't get them for free. Look at that. Me and Brett walking around the Miami Dolphins Stadium trying to figure out how do we come back together? How does Tradeify and the BDH come back together? Something big needs to happen, right? So the rumor is that Tradeify is launching a new plan soon, and it's supposed to be their biggest plan ever. And I told Brett, I'm like, let's be honest, Brett. Let's be honest. You know, can you really be the biggest? You know, can you be the biggest if you're not friends with the BDH? If you're not, you know, if you're not a partner of the BDH, can you truly be the biggest and the largest? I think not. So we'll see. The ball is in Brett's court. Will he deliver a massive present to the BDH? We'll find out. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a deal with Legends going on right now. Dude, I'm pretty hyped on this. Big shout out to D Money. I know he's watching right now. He's always watching. But yesterday, D Money doing 2.6 thousand. I think at one point like 2.7, 2.8 concurrent viewers on his live stream yesterday. So big shout out to D Money. He's crushing it. The power hour. I know it's not always the best time to trade, but D Money, he's making the best of it, and I think you guys are enjoying it. Clearly, he's getting viewers. What's wild and what's crazy is that Top Step only had 2,000 viewers yesterday, right? And D Money was absolutely smoking them. So that right there is like, that's pretty fucking sick. So congratulations, D Money, killing it. Looking forward to 2026, the biggest, the largest. We got big stuff coming. We got big stuff happening. You never know what you're gonna see. My goal, I think, for 2026 is to bring in probably one more person, right? We got D Money, one more person. We got P Money, D Money, and whoever else can fit in between that. So you never know, man. 2026, it's gonna be big. It's crazy to think that the BDH has now been open for a year. Isn't that wild? Like, it's almost been a year. Do y'all remember what it, like, my first stream at the BDH? Does anybody remember that? I don't remember it. I want to find the video of it to see what it looked like. All right, NASDAQ just kind of going nowhere for now. We saw, like I said, kind of this is a very key level, kind of a triple top area right now. The bulls really just need to stampede right through this and try to push up there 25,600 possibly, you know. So keep an eye out for that. We'll see what happens as we go into a market open. But right now I'm trying to find the live stream, the first live stream that I ever did at the BDH. I don't remember what it looked like. What did it look like? What did I look like? I was bald, I think, right? I think I didn't have any hair. I was definitely bald. Let me see. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Oh, yeah. Dude, first one ever. Here it is. Look at this thing. What was going on there? The BDH looks different. Like, look at the difference of the BDH right now. It just don't even look the same. Victoria, she'd be looking the same. Looking even younger. Looking even sexier. Oof. Mamacita, nice to meet you. Fucking A. I don't even remember this guy. What was his name? Emilio? Or something? Fuck. I think it was Emilio. That's fucked up. I don't remember his name. Dude, but look at the BDH back in the day. We got Ginger over there in the corner. We had a couple other people working there. This is back when I had the GT3 RS. That's crazy. The BDH, man, it's been an evolution. You know, it really has. Look at me wearing a suit. What was I doing? Oh, I thought I was Big Shot. Big Shot. Oh, there's Brett Simba was there, I think. Oh, wow. Brett Simba was there for the first live stream at the BDH. That's pretty wild. Pretty wild. Brett, man, he's aged a lot. Running a prop firm made him look a lot older. He might need to get some, he might need to do something about that. He'd be looking older now. But yeah, Brett Simba was there that day one. Man. The BDH looks so much different, guys. I don't even, holy shit, I had 3 Lamborghinis back then. I forgot. Or I had 2 Lamborghinis. I had the STO, I had the Aventador, and I had the GT3. This is back when I was rich. And then the BDH broke me. It broke me. Y'all broke me, man. Warbucks gonna make me go broke. Don't start a prop firm, kids. Don't do it. What do you guys think? You like the old layout or the new layout? Old layout or the new layout? What are we thinking? It's like Halloween music now. What the fuck? Slade was there. Yeah, man. We've had a lot of guest traders. We're actually gonna have 4X Ike. Ike's gonna be here really soon as well. So yeah, the new layout, man. We got the cars. We got 2 cars back there. Got the Christmas tree. We got the fireplace. Just put that fireplace in. It looks a little crazy, but I told Ginger, just keep an eye on it. Make sure it don't, you know, don't catch on fire. I just installed that last night. It was a lot of work, but it's putting out a lot of heat. I'm telling you, I had to put the AC on. Had to put the AC on. Funny how you shit on people starting a prop firm and then you do it yourself. When did I shit on people starting a prop firm? Matt? See, what I love about the chat is, man, you guys don't forget anything. The chat does not forget anything. They'd be like, Patrick, 7 years ago, you said that you hate Lamborghinis, but now you own one. See, you're a liar, Patrick. You're a liar, Patrick. You're a liar. Patrick, 7 years ago, you said you would never have a Christmas tree behind you. And look at you now, Patrick, you sold out. You sold out, Patrick. You're a sellout. You gotta love it. You gotta love the chat, man. You guys remember everything. So he shit on TJR. Yeah, I mean, TJR starting a platform. Yeah, a prop form. Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm going to shit on that all day. Yeah, 100%. Exactly. If TJR, anything that TJR does or starts, yeah, I'm going to shit on that because it's a scam. Some guy the other day said he spent $4,000 on TJR's course and didn't learn anything. And I'm like, well, you did learn something. You learned to not fucking buy TJR's course, you know? Hey, there's your lesson of the day, kids. You know, you thought you didn't learn anything. You're like, Patrick, I spent $4,000 on TJR's course, but I didn't learn anything. And I'm like, well, you know, you learned. You learned, all right. You learned a good lesson. Don't spend $4,000 on anyone's course. Even if I had a course for $4,000, I would tell you don't buy it. That is a silly fucking investment. $4,000, oh my God. Hey, if you're spending $4,000 on a day trading course, I got something better for you. I have a secret algorithm that's gonna make you a billionaire. So go ahead and just send me an email. You gotta have at least $4,000 to enter, right? You know, you can't be broke to buy this algorithm, but I'll sell my algorithm that's gonna make you a billionaire for only $4,000. So let me know if you're interested, right? If you're trying to get in on that, let me know. You tell people not to buy your $199 course. Fuck, you got me there. Damn it. Fuck. Yeah, see, it doesn't help. It's hard to sell courses when I tell people to not buy them. So, you know, I'm like, fuck, I'm kind of doing myself a disservice here. I'm really hurting myself here, you know? Like, come on, Patrick, don't tell people not to buy the course. You know, hey, buy it. Yeah, buy it. I promise you, you're gonna get rich. Very rich. Very rich. What do you think about BDM? Like the sex shit? Like BD is? Like when you like girls when they wear leather and like the whips and stuff? That type of BDM? I mean, I'm not against it. You know, if Victoria wants to put on a sexy outfit and fucking whip me while I scream, maybe, you know. You need to make BDH Christmas balls. What? Why does everything always gotta be about balls here at the BDH? You know, like you guys, everybody's always like, Patrick, the balls. I'm like, well, why is it gotta be about balls? Why can't we just be, you know, like, why can't we just be normal people here? God. Someone said how to be rich. Fuck, dude. If I figure out how to be rich, I'll let you know. Best thing to do is just fucking, you know, go out there and work hard, man. Why are you talking about Big Daddy MA? Who Big Daddy? I'm the Big Daddy. Ain't nobody bigger. Ain't nobody larger. Come on now. Who got, hey. Think about it. Who got a Christmas tree? Who got a Christmas tree? Who got a Ferrari? Who got a fucking Porsche wide body fucking on airbags and a fireplace on YouTube? Who got that? Who got that? Who got that? Nobody. Ain't nobody got that. Chat, I am the biggest, I am the largest, I am the winner. Big Daddy said he made more money. Will you shut the fuck up? Big Daddy doesn't do shit. Hey, remember when Big Daddy came to the BDH and couldn't trade and fucking blew up his account with his little sidekick? Yeah, remember that? I remember that. You want to run it back? Hey, anytime. Let's put $100,000 cash on it. Hey, Big Daddy, you make so much money. Let's put $100,000 cash that you can't come to the BDH and out trade me. Exactly. You won't. You won't, you little big pussy. You big pussy boy. Yeah, he literally came to the BDH and fucking cooked it so hard. Had no idea what he was doing live on YouTube. Exactly. It's always so funny how all the gurus are always, they're so good at trading, you know, in their own discords. Big Daddy Max has a Rolls Royce. Do you think, is that a flex? You think Big Daddy Max is cool because he has a Rolls Royce? You think owning a Rolls Royce makes you rich? Bro, I got $1 million in cars at the BDH and I'm not even rich. You know, I got $2 million in cars I got $2 million in boats. That's like 4 million total in just depreciating assets, okay? That don't make you rich. That just makes you dumb. What do you think about the stock market, Wolf? Scam. Anybody named Stock Market Wolf is a scam. Yeah, Jay Dunn got 2 Lambos, but he's also got a little tiny head. Think about that, you know? Hey, think about that. Exactly. 2 Lambos, but one little tiny head. So, I mean, whatever you want to say, bro. Whatever whatever makes you feel good at night. Because let's be honest, I'd rather have no Lambos than have a little baby head. What do you think about the market not working last week, dude? I think it's I think it was because ICT, man. I think ICT, the algorithm was reset. They reset the algorithm. I'm telling you. No one believes me. But ICT, the CME group, they shut down the market for 4 hours so that way they could, reset the ICT algorithm. You know? Exactly. You'll be associated with Jay Dunn if you join Tradeify again. Damn it. Damn it. But what? I know, but like, $300,000 a month, man. I've done crazier things for less money, to be associated with, the small-headed Lamborghini owner for $300,000 a month, it seems like it could be worse, like it could be worse, it could be worse. All right, we're getting ready for market open. But like I said, it's kind of like make or break moment. Either we're gonna fucking just rip to the upside here, or well, we got some trouble and we're gonna pull back here. We got no news today, so I'm kind of I don't know how I'm feeling exactly. How can someone's head be so small? I mean, it means their brain is very small, right? I mean, that's the only thing that is the only answer. The only way to have a very small head is to have a very small brain. So, I mean, look at this thing. That's a solid 12 inches. I got a solid 12 incher. I tell girls, I'd be like, yeah, I'm 12 inches. From here to here, square footage. 12 inches of square footage there. All right, we're getting ready for market open right now. Let's go. Can we make some money? Gonna make some money. 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 I'm gonna try to pass these Lucid Flex accounts today. We bought some Lucid Flex accounts yesterday. Pretty cool rules and breakdown and all that fun stuff. So we'll see if we can pass those today. We got some Apex accounts ready to roll. We ready. We ready. Hey, chat. If you haven't already hit that fucking like button, you know what to do. Blow up the like button. Blow it up, blow it up, blow it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Daddy needs to make some money. Daddy needs to make some money. Apex told me if I don't sell 2,000 accounts today that I'm cut. I'm fired. I'm out of here. They're no longer going to pay me $1 million a day. I said, please, don't do it, Daddy, please. How am I ever going to survive if I don't make $1 million a day? Oh, man, oh, man. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The dip. We dipping. We's a dipper. We's a dipping. Right there at the 500 level. Like I said, it's either like this thing's got to just start ripping, or we might just keep kind of chop around here, pull back some more. Very key level right now. It's kind of a triple top. The Dow just pushed up. The ES is pulling back. NASDAQ's pulling back here now. All right, all right, all right. Be careful, be careful. We got the VWAP down there. VWAP is at the 439s. This is the 1 minute chart right now. Kind of looking, we'll play this 1 minute range here. See what this 1 minute range does. All right, we got our 1 minute candle about to be set here. Ooh, a little push up. I'm gonna try a short right here and see if we can't move down there towards that VWAP. Oh man, try to add into this as well. Looking for like down into here. Come on, 1 minute range. Oh no. Oh no. Straight back up there towards the 500s again. The fake out is real. So much for the 1 minute range. What a scam that is. Don't trade the 1 minute range. It don't work. It's a trap. All right, we're getting stuck there at that EMA. That's good, but we need to get back below. Ooh. I don't like it. I'm gonna jump out right there because now I think it's gonna pop back up. There's that like pop straight back up now through the 500s again. They didn't want to sell it, so we gonna maybe push for now. See what happens here. Back up above 500s. If we can push through there, we got the overnight high so far, 520 area. Just kind of chopping for now. This is exactly the kind of shit that I did yesterday. Just like that stupid first move of the day got chopped, and then it ended up going the direction that I wanted it to. So we'll see if that's going to be similar to yesterday. If we're going to get stuck here at the 500s again. Gold's pulling back. The ES is pulling back. The Dow's pulling back. NASDAQ's trying to push up here now. There she goes from 500, 515s ripping. Clearly the longs are the way here now. Nice little push. Oh, Lord. 530s now. There's that overnight high now, 520s. Let's see what happens here. We got to get through that 520 level, obviously, for the bulls. Back down there to the EMA again. We kind of took out this high now. The low is 472. Huh. Back above 500s here, 520s. Kind of got denied right there after taking out the highs. 5 minute chart right now. Wick on the bottom, wick on the top. Squeezing again, 520s. Should try to get through there. This is, like we said, kind of that it needs to go, go, go. That high from Sunday night was 546s now. 546s now. Oh. Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah. She pushing now. Straight up there, the bulls. All right, we got our 15-minute range. Obviously, we got only 5 minutes here. We broke out of the 5-minute range. That candle right there. So 5-minute opening range was clearly the play today, not the 1-minute opening range. LOL. Let's see what happens now. $540s there. I need some kind of pullback here. Oh, Lord. Unless we just go straight for fucking 600s. Straight to 600s. It's possible. The bulls are pushing. ES is also pushing. 560s now. Fucking A. There she goes. The bulls, 570s, still going. Good thing we got out there short at the right below 500. No reason to hold on to that short when it just couldn't go down. Look at that, 580s now. She's still ripping, by the way. Still ripping, still going. Go, go, go. Oh, my Lord. All right, now I got to look for some kind of pullback. 586s, 580s, 590s. We got a boner candle to the moon. 25,600 is coming up there next. A lot of momentum right now to the upside here. The shorts are getting fucking squeezed. Gets through the 600s quickly. Trying to get through 600 here next. All right, let's go, let's go. Stop at the 90s now. Let's see if we can break 600 is good. To get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. We're right there now. Ugh. It's either gonna like get stuck right here. Can I get filled? Oh no. And stopped out there for now. Maybe a little pullback. Wait for that next flag setup, right? Wait for the next flag setup there. We're right at 600s now. Ideally, if you can get a pullback like 550s, it'd be great. Might not get it. We're right there. It's like the moment of truth. It's the moment of truth. All right, the ES is still not taking out the previous day high. So 856 on the ES there, right, is kind of in play. And then that would still kind of take the NASDAQ a little higher, right? If the ES keeps pushing, then the NASDAQ gets through 600s there and tries to go a little bit more. If we look on the NASDAQ, in terms of resistance coming up, we got a pivot point all the way up there at the 730s. After that, I mean, seven, like pretty much right there, honestly, is like the next logical resistance. I guess there's a little bit of resistance there at 620s to think about maybe, but other than that, it's like not much. Kind of like right there now. If we can just break through this 620s, 700s next, 25,700 maybe. Pushing straight up here so far. Gold pulling back. NASDAQ trying to push the high so far. 08s, 12s pushing there now. ES has not broken the 15-minute range yet. Well, it's not been set, but ES is kind of like holding right there. NASDAQ trying to go. She's trying. Whew. All right, so we passed these Lucid accounts. $4,500 in the Lucid Flex accounts. These are Lucid Flex accounts, the 150Ks. I might have to actually make a little bit more. I got to go look. I think I made around this about the same yesterday. So basically, once we couldn't get that short to the downside, we switched up for the longs and just kind of ride that momentum up there. 600 still going, 25,600 right now. It's funny because obviously hindsight's fucking 2020, but before market open, I was kind of sitting there and I'm like telling you guys like, you know, hey, either we're gonna pump straight up here because the daily chart had that set up, right? We needed to start pumping, or well, we're gonna pull back. And I don't know why I tried to take a short there. Should have been a little bit more patient, clearly, but luckily we were able to make it back for now. This is kind of like that level, right? 25,750 area, 800s. The fact that we're kind of breaking out here on that daily chart, the bulls really, you know, they want to keep that momentum going, squeezing the shorts. And I think that's kind of what we're getting right now, just kind of that squeeze. All right, so we got our 15-minute range about to be set here in 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. So we got, someone says Trump is talking. All right. Trump's talking. But yeah, right now, Lucid, 40% off those flex plans. Just showed you guys passing those new flex plans. They got a 50% consistency in the evals. And then after that, there's no consistency. There's no daily loss limit and all that fun stuff. So if you're on the fence, if you've been thinking about signing up with Lucid, this might be your opportunity. Obviously, they use Tradevate prop, the biggest, the largest. We're right there, 25,600. At the top of this opening range right now. Still got about 2 minutes. We got no major news today. We'll see what happens there. Someone said Warbucks is the best. Ooh! Ooh! I like that. Warbucks, BTC. Speaking of Warbucks, let me go. I need to go look and see what's going on with Warbucks right now. Need to get me a trade on. Give me a little try. I took a trade last night or yesterday on Ethereum, made some money. See if I can make some more money today. A little Warbucks action. A little bit of Warbucks. Ooh, actually, look. Ooh, wow. She's still pumping from yesterday, actually. This is Ethereum. You can see my trade yesterday. I got long down there, sold into this push. Look at the 5-minute chart here on the Warbucks platform. Right now, NASDAQ's kind of holding there. NASDAQ's holding. A fucking Ethereum's going to the moon. God damn. So annoying when it does this. Like, what do? You know, do you go long there? I don't know. Let's see. What's the NASDAQ kind of giving us? It's like kind of giving that vibe, huh? Like it wants to go. But can it? Can she go? We're right there at that EMA. We are holding right there, 25,600 level. The ES had a little bit more of a pullback. ES pulled back a little bit more. You can see kind of the ES, the 15-minute range. ES pulled back a little bit more. The NASDAQ's holding up right there, 25,590s. Trying to push again. There's your 15-minute candle now set. 15-minute candle looking pretty bullish, but you'd like to see like a little bit of a pullback there, right? Just a, you know, just a little bit, right? I mean, sort of, kind of, maybe a little bit. Or do you just go to the moon? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, man, she's looking squeezy. I'm going to try a long here to get through 600s, up through this high now. Play it tight. Playing it tight. Maybe get a little bit more out of it. Obviously not financial advice. Don't listen to me, chat. I don't know what I'm doing. Trouble there at the 600s. Like I said, might need more of a pullback. Uh-oh. All right, stopped out there. Nice, nice. So we'll wait for more of a pullback, clearly. Ding, ding, ding. You gotta love when you get that, right? You get long, and then it's like the very next candle just pulls right back down and stop you out. Great, awesome. So nice. Now, that'll probably be the low of that candle as well, where I got stopped at, obviously. You know, right where I got stopped is going to be where that pullback stops at. Perfect. 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 Yes, so very perfect. All right, got a NASDAQ. NASDAQ's got a pivot point at the 560s. Right, 560 is that NASDAQ pullback area. See what happens there. Fucking, you gotta be kidding me. Both the ES and the NASDAQ just popped right back up. We're gonna try it one more time long here to get through 600s. Let's see what happens there. We're either gonna go or we're not. 590s. Oh, flirting with breaking out 600. Flirting with it. Why does it gotta do this to me? Gold's kind of pushing back up. The Dow's pushing back up. ES is kind of stuck. NASDAQ's stuck here. Not looking good. Stuck there at the 600s again. Back below 580s. If we lose this 570 level, be careful. She might start coming back down a little bit more. We got to bounce like right here, right now. Got to bounce right here, right now. Are we in trouble? We got to just go all in right here, chat. We go all in. I'm going to pop the market up. Never mind. Did not work. All right. Oh, God, what will I ever do? Don't worry, Daddy's gonna be okay. This time. The good thing about Apex is those accounts are on sale right now, 80% off, just saying, you know. If I blow a couple, I'm gonna be okay. Bro is gambling. I know, guys, I know. Hey, guys, I'm a gambler. I don't know what you want me to tell you. Everybody be like, you're just gambling. Okay. You know, I'm going to go ahead and just hit that exit button. You can exit now. Go ahead and just exit right now. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to exit. You can. All right, go ahead and exit, chat. Just go ahead and exit. Get out of here. Let's try it again. Get through those longs. Break through the 600s. Oh my. Trying to get this push through the 600s clearly. We are dick deep right now. It's either going to go or it's not. NASDAQ having trouble. ES having trouble. Got to go, go, go. Oh, it's so annoying. Go! Fucking A. Something big is gonna happen here. Either we're going to the fucking moon or we're obviously not. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Pump it. Oh, no way. Got right to the fucking highs. I don't know, man. If I sell right now, it's gonna go 100 points. But if I don't sell, it's gonna crash. So either way, I'm fucked. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here. Amazing. Why does this always? Why? Why, NASDAQ? What a joke. Oh, that's fucking retarded. It's not even fun. It's like why? I hate trading sometimes. Back to the 570s. Bro, you play in the range. Will you shut the fuck up about the range? God, the fucking chat. Pat, you're in the range. You're trading the range. At some point, it's gonna fucking break out, dumbass. At some fucking point, it's gonna break out. I don't know what to tell you. At some fucking point, it's gonna go up. All right? I don't fucking know when, but at some point, it's going to. Right now, we just gotta fucking trade what I see. God. Patrick, you're just trading the range. You just trading the range, Patrick. ES is stuck at the middle, just fucking dumped right back down. NASDAQ dumped right back down here again. This is just same shit. Always. I mean, I could just like not show the trades and just blow all the accounts, you know, and not tell anybody, I guess. That would be like probably better, you know, than I could just pretend to be like, yeah, see, I told you guys. I could just do that, right? That could be better. Just do that, you know, just pretend to never blow accounts. Oh, it's so annoying. We were so close. Like, I was literally so fucking close to getting that breakout there. Like, what the fuck? I don't even know. Just like what a fucked up situation. And again, right back down here. Or right back up here. All right, let's see what happens. Guys, don't worry, I'm fine. Everybody's like, you'll make it back. I know, it's not about don't worry, everything is fine. God. The reason that people get mad is because I do things that I tell them not to do. I mean, I'm not anybody's fucking daddy. You know? I'm not your daddy. You can do whatever you want to do. Don't blame me. Be like, Patrick, see, you traded the range, but you always tell me not to trade the range. Well, I guess you right. You win. All right, the ES pulled back into the VWAP again. NASDAQ stuck here. I don't have all the answers, chat. I don't. Ugh. What a cunt nugget. Look at this thing now. Just holding up there, doing nothing, doing nothing, doing nothing. And here she goes again. Dude. All right, I'm trying this long again. Why not? Fuck it. I'm gonna just try to add into this. We break above 600s here. And then trying to get like 650s or more. I mean, it should go. The ES is starting to push back up off the VWAP. The fucking Dow is going to the moon right now. Look at the Dow. The Dow just ripped up 100 points. There's a 600 push, trying to get this straight up now. Patrick, stop forcing your will on the market. I will make this market go higher. JK, I won't. Wow. Wow. Let's go, NASDAQ. The high so far is what, 615 area, 613s. Starting to go 620s now. Try to sell a little bit into this push. Get through the 630s here. And there you go, the range play. The breakout of the range. Ugh. Guys, like I said, I don't know everything, man, but I told you it was going to go higher. It just, clearly it wanted to fucking make it, you know, be real hard. It wanted to be real hard. Clearly, okay? I can't help it. And look, almost 650 now, so thank you very much. It sucks, trust me, like, you guys think that I like losing. I don't like losing. I want to win, but like, just kind of how it is sometimes. After the 10 try, I mean, it wasn't the 10 try, it was the 3rd try. This is the 3rd try to get through that high, so I don't know what you're talking about. See if we get up there. I want that 654 area for 50 points on that last trade there. Fine Line Landscaping said, you said it was going to pull back to the pivot point. You just didn't wait on the setup that you called out. Well, yeah. No, I know about that. I've done that a few times in my life. Just had to be a little bit more patient. That's all. A little bit more patient. That's all. That's all it is. We got one contract left here. One contract left. Trying to see if we can get that full 50 points out of it here. Oh, look at, dude, fucking Ethereum going. Look at that bull flag on Ethereum. God damn it. I missed the breakout of the bull flag. Look at Ethereum. Oh, God. Bro. Oh, you can't even see it on the, look at that. Ethereum bull flag breaking out. God. Well, that's funny. That's great. That's real great, NASDAQ. Missed out on that bull. See the bull flags, they're everywhere, man. They everywhere. They real. They real, chat. People don't believe me, but they be bull flags. They be everywhere. Another bull flag here. If we get through 640s, I'm going to buy another contract and then try to sell into this push up here, 660s. For a bull flag breakout. Watching 640 to get through there. I'll basically just do like this. Just do a little buy stop right above the high of that candle and then sell, baby, sell. Sell, baby, sell. All right, we added. We're trying to sell into this push here to make new highs, obviously. Got to get through 650s there. to see if we can get through 650s, 660s. 680 area, if you look on the NASDAQ right now, that's 50% of the opening range. So 640 to 612, and then 612 up there to 680 is 50% of that range. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. We know that there's key resistance up at the 740 area. 740 key resistance. I talked about it this morning, the idea of kind of the bulls really needing to go today, right? The bulls needed to go. This is like, you don't want another triple top here, or I guess you don't want a triple top. You need that breakout there, and well, I would say we're getting the breakout. I mean, it's going. That first pump at open was beautiful. Gold's pulling back hard. We just need some more push, a little bit more push to get through 650s there next. ES kind of pulled back. The Dow made a new high, pulled back. NASDAQ obviously pulling back here now, but let's see if we can get towards that 700 level there next. 700, it ain't far away. 680, 700, and then 730 after that. Things are possible. It's possible. You know, I might not know everything, but it's possible. 100-point drop coming. Well, why you gotta say that for? Why you gotta say that? Why you gotta say that for, Vammy? 100-point drop coming. Why? Like, what does that do for anybody? Hey, everybody, there's a 100-point drop coming. Get ready. Get ready. Well, hopefully it goes up before the 100-point pullback, okay? Hopefully. All right, let's see if we can get through the 650s here. Stuck there again. Patrick, I noticed that you get stopped out because of your sizing. Yeah, no, you're not wrong. I'm a crackhead. You know, I've admitted that. I have an issue. I can't handle myself. I'm a degenerate gambler. Fucking A, man. I might just take it all right here at this 50 just because I don't. And now it's going to go. Don't worry. It's going to go higher now that I took profit. Don't worry, guys. It will go higher now. There you go. Classic. Yeah, the breaker was just out. Maybe come and just figure out why that breaker popped. Right? No, it's out here outside. It's on a different panel. I wondered why. I was like, there's no way that all just went out for nothing.
Right. Okay. I was surprised myself.
Yeah, no, I got it working. I knew there had to be another breaker or something because it just made no sense that that whole side went out. All right, NASDAQ. I mean, see, here's the thing, right? People are like, Patrick, you're just a gambler. But, I mean, at the end of the day, I think you get this big move up. It's kind of just like we're stuck here consolidating. It's hard to not think that, like, hey, this is a bull flag. We're going to go higher. I mean, just, it sucks. I don't like it. You know, people like, I'm just trading, you know, I'm just trading. Obviously, like, I'm not telling you guys to trade like me or copy me or anything like that. But like, I think the idea was good. We had the right idea there for that breakout. I think you just needed to be sized enough that you could hold through that. You know, that's, Just kind of the stupid part about it. So, my P&L, we made $4,500 in those Lucid accounts this morning at open. We traded the open there. I mean, this was like, you know, bread and butter to trade. The best part is I sold early, and then that popped all the way up there, and then kind of scalped inside there. So it is what it is. I don't know, man. I don't know. Everybody wants me to be perfect, but I ain't perfect. I'm just a human being. I'm just a normal guy I'm just a guy with a Ferrari and a Porsche and a fireplace. You know, I can't help it, people. You know, I can't help it. I think, you know, that short at open clearly wasn't the play. The long afterwards was obviously the play. And then taking those trades up there at the top, I mean, would I do it again? Yeah, I mean, honestly, I wouldn't not do it again, you know? So that's the problem, right? It's easy to sit here in hindsight and be like, see, you never should have done that. But like, there's days where, you know, these pullbacks, you don't get, like, you don't get a good pullback, and then you, like, that's the day where the market just fucking goes straight to the moon. And, you know, it's, everybody's got an opinion after the fact. Yeah, I mean, I don't feel sorry, that's for sure. Like, I don't feel bad about it. You know, I'm not happy that I got stopped out or lost in those trades, but at the same time, it's like, I can't really like I can't do anything about it, you know? To be honest, like, everybody wants like an answer. Like, why'd you trade that? Why'd you go long there? Why? I'm like, it looked good. I mean, it looked like it wanted to go. You know, I don't know where it's gonna be in 5 minutes, but I know it looks like it wants to go up. I don't know. Patrick, why does Apex not pay for regular traders, not influencers? Is that English? You know, I don't know. What do you want me to tell you? Apex pays. Yeah, they paid out millions. They don't just pay influencers. That's like literally the biggest scam. Yeah, Apex only pays influencers. I'm like, okay, whatever you got to tell yourself, bro. Hey, whatever you got to tell yourself, man. I mean, we're kind of holding up here. I think there's a reason to be long, right? Like, anybody else feel the same way? Feel like it, you know, the longs are, I wouldn't be short here. Trump is finished speaking. Hey, you know, the good thing is, guys, the great thing at the end of the day, right? If you're a trader and you're trading prop firms, guys, there are so many options out there. So like, you can, I think, you know, like, you can sit around and you can hate Apex or talk shit all you want, but like, you know, what, you know, hey, if you don't like them, don't use them. That's really all I think you can do at this point. I get it, you know, hey, you don't like them, that's fine. Like, just don't use them. You know, there's not really much else to like say about it. Like, hey, everybody should have their opinion. That's great. You know, it's part of life. Nothing wrong with people having an opinion. I mean, that's all it really is. I'm gonna try a long here and see if we can go maybe a little bit smaller. Only 2 contracts per account, but I'm just like, I don't know. It could just be could just be a fuck around up here for a while. I think it'll be similar to yesterday's bullshit, where could be some drops, some pops, some drops, some pops, and then we finally get up there to that level that we basically identified this morning before the market opened. So Just stuck there, 640s. Had that wick down there. I thought we could get some momentum, but clearly not. Gold's selling off. The ES is sitting there, and the Nasdaq's sitting here. I mean, guys, I don't know. I have no fucking idea. But you know, like, would I be long? Would I be short here? No, I wouldn't be short. So I'm gonna be long. You know, hey, I have no fucking idea. This thing could just crash straight down. It could go straight up. It's just kind of how it's gonna be today. Now that I'm long, it'll probably pull back, stop me out, and then go higher. So whatever. It is what it is, my friends. If we can't hold 625, it's probably be in trouble there. So the ES still has some room to the upside there. So if the ES can start moving again, we need that ES breakout. ES to break out, NASDAQ breaks out. So ES is like right there, 657, 857s, 860 pivot point there next. So your stop is the top is the orb. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Oh my God, it's getting tight. Fucking A. This is exactly the same shit as yesterday where we were like just sitting there for a while and then just drop straight down. Ugh. It's getting real tight. It's not looking good. It should have already went. It should have already went. Why'd you not already go, NASDAQ? Another great deal. Several props banned me after they noticed I was trading ICT. Another great deal. I bet you $1 million. I will bet you $1 million fucking dollars right now. Live on YouTube. I'll bet you $1 million that never happened. I bet you $1 million. I'll bet you $1 million that never happened. You know, like, let's be honest. Ain't no prop firm ban you because you trade ICT. Let's be honest. Okay? Exactly. Ain't nobody banning you because you trade ICT. Exactly. You know, let's be honest. Let's not lie to ourselves. Because trust me, I talk to the owners of prop firms, and they're like, yeah, when we see a trader uses ICT, we are excited because we know he's gonna lose money. That right there, the best trader that you can get is the one that trades ICT because they're gonna lose, and they're gonna lose a lot. You know, they love them. They be loving them, you know what I mean? They love them. They be like, I love me some ICT traders. Send me the ICT traders. I'm like, guys, I don't have any ICT traders. Well, you gotta get some, they said. Why do you think Tanya Trades makes so much money as an affiliate? You think it's because all of her ICT traders are good at trading? I don't think so. I don't think so. NASDAQ pulling back here. So like I said, no reason, well, not a reason, but I wasn't short, but now that pullback there, is what it is. Right now, pulling back 610s. Right back into the opening range high again. Nvidia is dropping. Gold's dropping. The ES is kind of just stuck. The NASDAQ's stuck. And here we are at the top of the fucking range. Going nowhere quickly. Five-minute chart. Look at that. I mean, it's just like so annoying. So annoying that you get that big wick on that 5-minute candle and it just pulls right back. It's market, man. I feel like we're still trading a holiday market. Wrap a car like a Christmas tree. Christmas time, Christmas time. Everybody loves some Christmas time. Patrick, you're trading the range. Oh, fuck. Dude, I'm trading the monthly range, man. Patrick, you're looking. Patrick, did you not look at the monthly chart? Patrick, look at the monthly chart. You're trading the previous monthly candle range. You suck. You're terrible. You're terrible, Patrick. Look at that. Why would anyone trade when you're in the candles inside the other candle? It's common sense. It's common sense, chat. Everybody knows that. It's not even a debate. Everybody knows that you don't trade inside the previous month candle. Some guy on Instagram says that when a company uses billboards, you don't even have to ask if they're a scam. Why are they all so mad? Why do people get so mad? People get so mad. They'd be like, Patrick, everybody knows that a company that uses the billboards is a scam. I'm like, you're telling me that every company that uses a billboard is a scam? Because I have a Warbucks BTC billboard, right? So clearly I'm a scam because got a billboard. Literally everybody uses billboards. What's Ethereum doing? Don't tell me it's going high. Oh my God! Bro, what is happening? Look at that bull flag on Ethereum. We blew it, chat. We fucking blew it. Why did I not get long on that? Oh my God. That's 100 points right now from that fucking bull flag. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke, man. Oh, it sucks. You gotta love that. Warbucks is your company, PW. I mean, I'm a equal equity partner. So it's not fully my company, but I'm kind of like the boss. Ugh. Dude, guys, if you see a bull flag on cryptocurrency and you see a bear flag, trade it, man. Don't even second guess it. The cryptocurrency gods, they be like, Patrick, here is a golden goose. Here is a bull flag. Good luck. And you're like, oh, I want to trade it. Dion9513. Dion said that, bro, we just hit a 4-hour high. That was resistance. Top-down analysis is key. Don't follow YouTube. Do your own research. Hey, Dion. Hey, Dion. Dion, can I ask you a question? What the fuck are you doing here? You're watching me, idiot. What, you're telling people don't watch YouTube, but you're on YouTube. You're literally on YouTube. You're on, you know what I mean? Like, you're telling people don't watch YouTubers, but here you are. You're here. You're fucking here. Everyone be like, man, whatever you guys do, don't watch YouTubers. Don't do it. Whatever you do, do not watch a YouTuber, man. Ugh. He's on YouTube telling people to not watch YouTube. Correct. Dude, it's the 4-hour chart, guys. Look. Look at this. You know what's weird? You know what's really weird, chat? He said that we don't talk about technical analysis enough. So hold on a second. I might be confused here, but I believe at some point today, we did identify that there was resistance at this level. Let's see if it's possible that we might have actually identified it long before we got to this. Let me see. I'm just gonna go back and find my, oh, I think I see it. Oh, wow. Patrick, how did you, what? Patrick, what are you doing? How did you know? How did you know? How did you know there was resistance there, Patrick? But you never looked at the higher time frames. You never did. Guys, we talked about this morning, by the way, 720 area. He's saying that we're at a resistance right here, but I mean, like the high on that candle is 597. The high on that candle is 627. I mean, I think this is the resistance we got to worry about, 720 area, but I don't know, man. Well, right now we just stuck. All right, looks like we got a pullback here. The ES is pulling back pretty hard. NASDAQ's pulling back here. If they dump it through that 600 level, could start to go maybe back down there towards the VWAP. The ES kind of dumping right now, but probably chop around here for a while at the 600s a little bit longer before doing something just to fuck with everybody. You know, why go straight up or down? Why? I'm not still in a trade. No, I'm out of that long. There's no, we out of it at that point. Say Saranara. Saranara. Sayonara, Saranara. There's that big pullback. All right, so I'm still not like, I'm not gonna be overly aggressive short here. Just, oh my God. Or maybe I am. ES is really dumping. The ES really pulled back there. I'm not sure. Look at the ES, wow. Okay. Bears came in real hard. Dude, the ES sold all the way through the opening range right now. Someone said the fair value gap. Oh, Lord. Tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded. I dare you. Just tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded, please. Just tell me that you trade fair value gaps. Patrick, it's a fair value gap. You guys understand that when you think that there's something on the chart, there's also 1 million other people that are looking at the same exact chart and are also seeing something different. So just don't forget that, right? You're like, yeah, but it's the fair value gap, right? Look, fair value gap. Well, what happens if we fucking dump? What's gonna happen? Well, the fair value gap. Well, I think we're dumping. Chat, something's happening here. Right down there to the middle of the range. This is exactly like the shit that happened yesterday, if you remember, where you had this big dump to the middle of the range and then we popped it straight back up again. Quite the move either way. There's that, look at that, straight back up pump. This is exactly like fucking yesterday. Exactly like yesterday. Someone's talking or I don't know what's going on there. Something is happening. ES really dumped. It is looking very similar to the bullshit that it did yesterday. Y'all remember that? Am I the only one that remembers that? Remember that? Just like these big dumps and then pumps it like right back up every time. Doesn't mean it's gonna do the same, but I mean... That 5-minute candle right down there towards the middle of the range. Oh my lord, she's getting wild and crazy, boys. A lot of volatility here. Just chopping around at this 560 area. A lot of volatility here. Straight back down there again. Down there to the VWAP hard right now. Will we continue lower? Who's getting trapped? The Bears, the Bulls? Try a aggressive long here, kind of like down there towards that VWAP. It might be a terrible idea. Don't copy me. Don't do it. Fair value gap long, boys. She tried to go. She tried. What's interesting is gold sold off as well. Gold sold off. NASDAQ sold off. The ES sold off. Very interesting either way. It's got to pump back up kind of like 580, 590s possibly, but if not, kind of just stuck there. The ES is right, well, kind of holding up there. Everything's just kind of stuck here now. If we can't hold this 550 again, we're probably gonna dump, so be careful. This is not a recommendation. Five-minute candle just broke through the previous 5-minute candle high, so it's gotta start going right here, right now. Big pump on the Dow. Can the NASDAQ pump? She's trying. See if we get through the 70s here, but got so close. My stop on this last contract's gonna be 46s. Might be a bear flag kind of building out here now. Watch that 40 area. If we lose the 40s, got the VWAP down there next at the 520s. PW, I've never seen a calm trader like you. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Just needs to rip through the 70s here. But having some trouble there. The ES is having trouble. NASDAQ's having trouble. I might just take it here at the 60s just to lock it in. 62.50. Oh, God. Definitely looking like a bear flag right now. See if I get that last fill. 62 should get it. Oh, my motherfuckers. Oh my motherfuckers. Oh my motherfuckers. There we go. All right. So the problem now though is like if we get short right here, the VWAP's right there. I mean it. Now, see, look, now it does some stupid shit like that. Look at that fucking eek. There she goes. Now it pumps. Like, why? You know, like, how? How? You know, like, how? Why? Is it just me? Like, what the fuck? Oh, God. Oh, Lord. I don't even get it. I don't even like... Does anybody have an explanation? Does anybody have an explanation to why? I have no fucking idea. Like, it's just, why did it not go, why did it not do that here? You know, why, like, the NASDAQ, it's fucking hilarious. The very next candle, we rip up 50 points. Look now, look at, like, why? Nah, like, why? Oh, God. There you go. Are you like... Why? It's just comedy. That's like only thing that I can think of is just comedy. You know, like it's just comedy. Like this shit is it's just comedy. The market is just comedy. You know, hey, I get long here at 50s, it pull, oh, we can't go higher. Oh, and then as soon as I get stopped out, literally the moment that I take profit or, you know, I finish out, whatever, I get out, look at that. You know, that's 100 points basically, or 50, whatever. It's just fucking like, how? Why? Like, why? You couldn't have timed that any better. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you could not have fucking timed that any better. like if you're like, Patrick, I bet you it won't go up, I'd be like, okay, I bet you. Like, you know, like it's just fucking hilarious. Like, you gotta just laugh about it. Like, it's fucking hilarious. It's just like, it's hilarious. Oh my God, Ethereum through the 3000s. Okay. What a fucking, what a move. Let's see what happens. Ethereum going to the moon, NASDAQ going to the moon. Someone said, I always feel like someone's watching me. Oh, trust me, they ain't watching you. They know. They don't need to watch you. That's what people don't understand is the market makers don't need to watch you. They know what you're gonna do, right? They know exactly where you're gonna put your stop at. They know exactly when you're gonna get short. They know exactly, you know, it's like, they're not, because you gotta remember, the market makers, they can't watch everybody, but they pretty much have an idea of what the herd mentality is gonna be. Right? The herd is going to be like, hey, look, the market just dumped, time to get short. And then what are the market makers gonna do? They're gonna go, ha, 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 and then rip it back up, right? Like, they don't know what you individually do, but they know that there's enough people on this planet who are going to get short. You know, if this breaks down, we're gonna get short, right? Hey, Patrick, get short here, man, it's a short. And that is exactly what they do. It's like they know exactly where we as the retail traders are going to put our trades at. But either way, hey, I mean, like I said, there's that big pump again. This is exactly like yesterday. Same exact shit. Remember yesterday, these like 5-minute fucking dumps and then the 5-minute fucking pumps again? It's like textbook to yesterday's move. If you fucking look at yesterday, same exact shit, right? It's the same exact shit. Big pump, we get stuck, we dump back to the VWAP, we pump, we got stuck, we pull back to the VWAP, and then we went higher. It's the same shit today. Gotta love it. Well, because it's just like, you know what it's doing is like, you're stopping out the longs. Everybody that got long up here, they get stopped out. They're getting stopped out. Well, then the bears are like, okay, I'm gonna get short here because we broke these lows. Because think, it's like everyone's got their shorts, they got their stops. Like, if you're long up here, well, you definitely don't want it below here. So then what to do? They dump it through here, the shorts get aggressive, and then what do they do now? Now they pump it right back up. I'd hate to say that it's like fucking, you know, a game, but I would say it's definitely a game. You know, just one big fuck. I think maybe that's the, you know, the kind of the lesson here is like, let those 5-minute candles fucking do what they're gonna do. Wait for a big move out of that 5-minute candle area and then kind of be like, okay, what's the game here? You know, we took out that low, the VWAP's right there. You got this 680 level there next. Bro, just explain what liquidity sweeps are. Hey, Eddie's Evo. Hey, Eddie's Evo. Hey, Eddie. How much money do you make trading? You fucking retard. Patrick, you just, if you go on Google and you search liquidity sweeps, it'll tell you exactly what you just said. Oh! Is that how it works, Eddie? You fucking genius. I didn't look at Google lately. Guys, I have not looked at Google in a while. What am I gonna do? Look, a liquidity sweep. Is this a liquidity sweep now? Is this a liquidity sweep? Is this liquidity sweeping? I'm just trying to get a liquidity sweep. I just want some liquidity. Daddy wants liquidity. I am him. I'm the liquidity man. They don't call me Mr. Liquidity for nothing. Market makers, they watch my stream. They know. They know. They know. They know. Everybody knows. They knows. Just looking for some liquidity up here, man. Looking for some liquidity up here above that 650 area, possibly. You know, just, that's what we like to see here. Liquidity. Bro, I'm about to get so fucking much liquidity. I can't even handle myself. Hooey! I like liquidity and it cannot lie. My mama don't tell me why, but then when the liquidity is big, I get sprung. Yeah. Bro, we already took the liquidity. Fuck, boys. We already went through the liquidity there. This might not work out. Never mind. Forget what I said. I'm wrong. I have no idea what I'm talking about. We already took the liquidity, so it can't go any higher now. There's still some liquidity right here, though. 55s. Oh, boys. If I have not ever seen liquidity like this before. Look at that. I am rock hard on this liquidity. Oh! Liquidated. 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 It's the biggest, the largest, the bestest, the restest. Weep, 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 weep. Guys. I like liquidity and it cannot lie. When that shit pops up on my stream, I get sprung. There you go. Liquidity. Ferkney said coping hard. Bro, guys. I want to make something very clear, right? I'm a millionaire, right? I make millions of dollars, right? I'm a millionaire. Me, Patrick Wieland, I'm a millionaire. You watching the stream, you poor. If you making fun of me talking shit, like you just poor, right? You got nothing to say. Like, what are you gonna say? Oh, Patrick, you suck. I'm like, damn it. Some random fucking loser on the internet said that I suck. So I guess I gotta give back all my millions that I gotta call somebody. Hello? I want to give back all my money. Some guy on the internet said I suck. Yeah, no, he said I'm not good. That my liquidity's, yeah, no, he said, look, I'm not good with liquidity. I know, yeah, no, he said that. He did, you know, he really said it on the live stream. Yeah, no, he said that I'm never gonna, that I got no liquidity. What am I gonna do? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Just don't ever forget that. Don't ever forget that. All right? Don't forget it. Don't ever forget it. Nobody forget it. When you are sitting here talking shit about me, all you're doing is just making me richer, right? The best thing that you should do for the haters out there, I'm gonna give you a little piece of advice. If you don't like what we doing, you should not watch, right? I know that you know, that you're in love with me and I'm the sexiest man you ever seen and you jerk off to me every night. I get that. But don't come to the live stream. Keyword come. Don't come to the live stream, okay? Wait till after the live stream, then watch it. That way you're not helping the algorithm. All right, I'm trying to help the haters out. If you're trying to take me down, well, don't watch, because if you watch, you're gonna get more, it's gonna be you're gonna get more numbers. You know what I mean? Affiliates made you a millionaire. I mean, damn. Never mind. He got me. It's over. It's over. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. See y'all later. Goodbye. The affiliates made me a millionaire. Hey, you know the key word there, though? You know what the key word is? You know what the key word is? Do you know what the key word there is? Patrick is a millionaire. Affiliate, OnlyFans, feet pics, whatever it is. Do you think that when I go into a fucking Ferrari dealership, you think when I walk into the Ferrari dealership, they're like, sir, stay, no. You think they care? Do you think they give a fuck? Do you think anyone gives a fuck that I'm a millionaire because of affiliates? Do you think anyone gives a fuck? Other than some little fucking faggot on the internet? You think anybody cares? You think when I go to a restaurant and I spend $2,000 on dinner, you think they're like, sir, we do not accept affiliate money here. Do you think anybody gives a fuck? Exactly. Ain't nobody give a fuck because I'm rich. And that is it. That's all that matters. It don't matter. It don't matter, people. I don't know why they think it matters. Patrick, you're a millionaire, but it's only because you do the YouTube. Patrick, you're a millionaire because you're on YouTube. He does have a point. He has a point, people. He has a point. He's making a good point here. But let's not forget what the real point is. You are a millionaire. Hey, guys, I don't know about you guys, but last time I checked, you know, the whole idea of being a day trader is making money, right? So like, you know, if you could figure out a way to make a lot of money without risking a lot of money, that's the secret, right? As a day trader, think about that. As a day trader, what is the secret? You know, like what does everybody want to do? They want to make money without risking a lot of money. Everyone's like, man, if I could just, you know, if I could make $100,000 without risking any honey money. Shit. That's the dream right there, boys. That is the dream. That is the motherfucking dream. The motherfucking dream. Hey, by the way, don't forget where I got long at, chat. Don't forget it. Everybody in the chat said that was a bad spot to get long. Maybe not everybody, but remember when the people in the chat said that I was an idiot for getting long there? Does anybody else remember that? I don't know why you do that. Why you do that, Patrick? Why you do that? Because if you would have gotten long at the 550s, then that's 100 points. Fuck. Clearly that was a bad spot. Patrick, can you go over the trade idea? Yeah, bro. I could do it for you for free. For you for free. Check it out. Trade idea. What do you see? 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 The VWAP. I mean, I'd say it was a good trade idea for the fact that we know that the middle of the 15-minute range loves to be support, right? Support, resistance, vice versa, whichever fucking way you're going. Yeah, and that was my trade idea. The trade idea simply was we had the VWAP down there. This is this is exactly what it did yesterday, right? I know not every day is the same, right? But same shit. It dumped, pulled back to the VWAP, and then ripped higher again, pulled back, ripped higher. You know, I try not to like be like, oh, this happened yesterday, let me try it again today. But you got to be like, hey, you know, maybe I don't want to get short down here. Why would I not want to get short there? Well, we got the VWAP right there. We got the overnight high here as well. I mean, we basically held that first 5-minute candle range, right? So that was why I got long there. So we got a guy in the chat said he spent $2,000, and he's up $18,000 in payouts. Fucking A, man. Hey, will you relax a little bit? You know, you need to relax a little bit, sir. Slow down, you know, don't be too good. Don't be too good. What are your VWAP settings? Oh, fuck, if y'all want to know my VWAP settings, we got to get at least 1,000 likes here on the stream. You know, if you truly want to see the VWAP settings. My VWAP settings are very simple, actually. I don't change anything. People always ask me this, but I really don't. There are my VWAP settings. What is happening to gold? It's dumping. That's what it's doing. It's fucking dumping. Those are my VWAP settings. I don't change anything. Take a picture. It'll last longer. All right, NASDAQ just kind of holding up here. Big ol', it's just kind of like a fucking bull flag, right? I mean, we got through the high. Now we're kind of consolidating right here at the highs. So, see what happens. Your VWAP is sweating? Yeah, man, it's a sweating VWAP. People be like, you know, Patrick, I use this, you know, this indicator. I'm like, nah, man, it's the sweating VWAP is the best indicator. You gotta love it. Can you show how to get the orb on TradingView? Man, you lucky that I'm in a good mood, boy. LuxAlgo orb and targets. Guys, it ain't hard, man. Just go on there, type in LuxAlgo. You can also use this one as well. Market flow, trend lines, and liquidity is one. LuxAlgo, orb. That's all you need right there. Look. Opening range with breakouts and targets. All right, little dip, little dippity dip. This thing has to grab liquidity first, then break structure, fill fair value gaps, and then create higher low before the next move up. Fuck. So you're telling me that it can't go higher without going lower first? What have I been doing this whole time? Guys, can I tell you all a little secret? And I don't want to be rude. I really don't. Like, I don't want to be rude. You know, I get it. Like, you like to believe that ICT is gonna make you a millionaire. I get it, right? I get it. It's a great dream, but like, if ICT truly worked, why would the biggest traders and the biggest banks and the biggest, you know, people in the world not use it? Why? Why don't they use it? Guys, why don't they? I went to Wall Street, I went to the New York Stock Exchange, and I walked around and I looked at everyone's charts, and nobody knew what a fair value gap was. You know, I just don't know. I don't want to burst anybody's bubble, you know? Like, I don't want to ruin anyone's dreams, but like, you know, I went to the New York Stock Exchange, and nobody there, not one person knew what a fair value gap was. And I was like, what do you mean you don't know what a fair value gap is? They're like, yeah, what the fuck's that? I'm like, it's the most important thing ever. The unicorn, the silver bullet, you know, the silver bullet fish, turtle soup, unicorn setup it's the end all be all. Why is Wall Street not using this? You know, why? Why do they not? Why? You know? Actually, you know what? I got an idea, guys. I know this is going to sound funny, but I have an idea, actually. I have an idea. I think I know how to solve the USA's debt problem, right? The USA is 30 trillion in debt, right? The USA is 30 trillion in debt, and I know exactly how to solve the issue. We make ICT, Michael Huddleston, we'll make him the treasury, the head of the treasury, right? And he can trade and make America rich again. How has nobody thought of this? How has nobody thought of this? Everybody's trying to figure out how to solve the debt problem. I have the answers. Michael Huddleston trades the USA's bank, you know, the balance. And he can make 1 billion percentages in just 1 year. And America will have 1 trillion, billion, gazillion. I mean, is that not a good idea, you think? Why has Trump not done this? If we have the person who knows exactly where the market's going to go at all times, why does the government not trade why doesn't the USA buy some Apex accounts for 80% off, YOLO a couple times, get a big payout for $1 trillion, pay off some of that debt? See, people don't even understand. They'd be like, that ain't gonna work. But I'm like, well, why not? Why can't ICT just trade and make America rich again? You know? Didn't ICT say he was gonna come to the BDH? He said he was gonna come to the BDH, but then he got scared because he was like, well, you know, I can't come to the BDH because I'm afraid. And I was like, what are you afraid of? Because, well, I'm afraid that you're gonna ask to see how tiny my pee-pee is. And I was like, well, don't worry. You know, we won't make fun of you. I won't make fun of you. We're very accommodating here at the BDH. All sizes matter. All sizes matter, okay? No one will ever take that away from me. I will always stand on that one point in life. All sizes matter. All sizes matter. Make that a point. Put it on a billboard. All right, well, NASDAQ, we chopping. Back down. We up, we down. Gotta love that. Look at that. She just dumps it right back down just for fun, you know, the NASDAQ. NASDAQ always be doing the funniest stuff, man. Like, you know, like, ha, look at that. It just pulled back. Haha, look at that. You know, like you gotta like, look at that. Now it's going down again. Gotta get those fair value gaps. Everybody knew that, duh. It's just like, I don't know how these prop firms are gonna stay in business any longer because there's too many ICT traders and everyone just be gonna get in those $1 billion payouts constantly. So they're gonna ban ICT traders is what I heard. I heard Apex is banning all ICT traders because they make too much money, and it just, you know, it's not gonna work anymore. So big shout out to the ICT traders. You guys ruined it. No longer can I get payouts trading those fair value gaps. All because the ICT traders. They don't listen. Nobody listens. You got to keep it secret. If you're going to trade ICT, what you do is don't ever go for a big payout. Get little payouts. Little payouts, a lot of times, make more money. See? People think that getting big payouts is the secret, but I'm telling you, it ain't. It's all about those little payouts. Let the government use the code PW. Fuck yeah. Hey, I got a deal with the government. I said, hey, look, if you're going to buy Apex accounts, use that code PW. Government buying prop firm accounts. It's going to be a thing. Everyone in the chat's laughing right now. Like, Patrick, you're so silly. No, the government's not going to buy an Apex account. I'm be like, maybe they would. Maybe they will. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe they will. I don't know, man. Maybe. All right, pulling back here into the opening range high. Once again, the chop is real. The chop is fucking real, boys. Fuck, maybe if Trump, we got to get Trump to watch. If Trump watches Tory Trade's course on how to make money with the 4-hour chart. See, guys, everyone don't think that I'm serious, but I'm serious when I say I'm gonna be the president of the United States one day, and I'm gonna make sure that, you know, we make trend lines great again. I'm gonna tell the institutions, I'm like, look, ain't nobody fucking putting on a trade unless they using trend lines. New rule. Every trade must have a trend line. Every trade. If you don't have a trend line, you're not allowed to trade. That's the new rule, okay? I'm gonna try another dip buy here off this bottom and then see if we get a pump. If not, I don't know. YOLO. Basically we just put my stop here. You know, if we can't hold 600s, then I stopped out. Oh God, we might get stopped. Look at that, classic. The fucking market makers, dude, they be watching. They always be watching. As soon as I got long, what'd they do? They pulled it back. This is classic. Just some classic market maker shit. Rewrite the Constitution. Trend lines only. Trend lines only. When am I gonna go to Mar-a-Lago? They won't let me go to Mar-a-Lago. They said I'm a criminal. Well, we out. Fucking A. Classic. No pumpy, no dumpy, just dumpies. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. No pumpies, just dumpies. I hate when that happens. All right, one more try here. One more try. Stop below the 80s. Don't copy me. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't try to be like me, kids, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. Make trend lines gay again. Great again. Oh, I thought you wanted gay again. I thought you were gonna say like make trend lines gay again, but you said it was great again. Oh, different. Oh my God. Stopped out there. She gone lower, I guess. So. Oh man, I got no monies. Can't make no money. Can't make no money. Crazy. The chop is real today, boys. The chop is real today. It's not unreal, it's real. Go short. Yeah, right. I would never go short here. Never. I would never go short. I'm gonna try a long here again. I want to try to like add into it a little bit more. No. Pull back a little bit more. Maybe got under the VWAP one more time. I'm just playing into this, maybe the VWAP bouncing. I don't know, man. Make fair value gaps gay again. Yeah, we making them gay. Don't you worry. Everyone's gonna be real gay when we get down there. Bro, pull up the top 6 S&P stocks and watch their charts on where the ES and the NASDAQ are going. Man. That's all I need to do? All I gotta do is just pull up the top 6 stocks and I know exactly where the market's gonna go. Oh, it's going lower, clearly. Don't worry, everything's fine. Back to the VWAP now. We're gonna bounce. Give me 100 points here. It's either gonna bounce 100 points or we're going down. I have no idea what happens next. Oh my God, it's gonna dump. We got 500 contracts. Everything is fine. Everything is fine here. Everything is fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Just need to pump back above the 60s here and we are gravy. I'm gonna be so rich. Unless it dumps and then I'm not gonna be rich. Not looking good. It's below the VWAP. Oh God, just go up, NASDAQ, just go up. No, go up, up. Pump it through there, through there, through there, through there, through there. We're out. Not good. Ugh. No bueno. No bueno. We pull back. Pull back there a little bit more. No bueno. No bueno. No good. No good. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it don't. Are you kidding me? Guys. You gotta be kidding me. If this thing pops from right here, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Are you kidding me? No way. The bottom, I got bottom ticked. I got bottom ticked on 500 contracts. Bottom ticked on 500 contracts. Wow. Wow. Absolutely wow. It's you know, you just can't make this stuff up. I gotta call the market makers. Give me another 100 million real quick. I need another 100 million quick. We're gonna get it back. I'm okay. Give me one more 100 million. I need one more 100. And then we're gonna be back. We're gonna get back into it. I'm telling you. Everyone be doubting me, but I'm telling you. We're gonna make it back. We're gonna make it back right here. Coming back up. We're gonna make it back up real quick. Don't you worry. It's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. It's gonna get back. Dude. Look, I'm telling you, I literally got bottom fucking ticked there, bro. What a joke. How did I get bottom ticked right there? So annoying. Got fucking bottom ticked. The market makers always be watching my streams. I can't trade like this anymore. Just gonna get it. It's so annoying. Bottom ticked every time. It's gotta get, if we get above 560s, I think we can start ripping. I don't know. Bear flagging below the VWAP now, or is that what's gonna happen? Oh, fucking A. So stupid. Just cannot get a, now we're gonna dump. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? Can a guy just get a break? Can a guy just get a break? It would have worked earlier. It would have worked earlier. Can't do it like rips. Yeah, I can't. I can't scam everybody. Not that good. All right, bear flag, it's gonna print. Trust me. Bear flag, print to the downside. It's gonna print. Trust me. I'm telling you. Get ready. Bear flag to the downside. It's gonna print. 100%. Guaranteed. Dion, are you fucking, like, look at this fucking weirdo in the chat. Like, telling everybody, guys, dude, Dion, bro, your photo alone just makes you look poor and retarded. Just go, bro. Just get out. Go watch anything else but me, you know? Don't do it. Go watch somebody else, dude. You know? Just do anything else. Just go anywhere else but here. Oh. Someone said it's gonna pump up again. Perfect. I'm gonna stay short because when someone in the chat said it's gonna pump up, that means it's gonna dump. Oh, look at that. Best trader alive. Best trader alive. Best trader alive. Best trader alive. With that, I'm gonna go ahead and just bow out. I'm gonna go ahead and bow out, you know. Too good. Someone said you lost 100,000. No, sir, we didn't lose 100,000. Don't worry. Don't worry. Daddy's gonna be okay. We only lost $5 million, okay? Only 5 million. Show the P&L, Patrick. Dude, I don't make money. Don't ever say that I'm Danny Trades, okay? Don't you ever dare. Don't you ever dare do it. Don't you dare do it, all right? Don't you. First off, I'm not fucking 3 feet tall. And secondly, I'm not poor. So yeah, it's not even a comparison, idiot. Hey, look, somebody in the chat said it was gonna pump. Well, it dumped. What happened? And so... NASDAQ back down there to the bottom of the range now. Where does it go from here? The $1 million question. You just pulled a classic Danny move. What are you even talking about? Dion, I'm not mad. I'm just get the fuck out of my chat, you fucking retard. I don't need you. I don't want you. Literally sitting here, you're talking shit. Why? God. The amount of people in the chat that like think that they're fucking like this trying to save the world. Patrick, I'm gonna let everybody know that they should never watch you. Okay, bro. Keep, you know, like, okay, you win. What do you want me to tell you? Congratulations. Make a video on YouTube talking about how Patrick Wieland's a scam. Like, what do you want? What do you want me to do? I just don't get it. Like, what do you want me to do? You know, like, Patrick, you know, you go live on YouTube and people watch you and then you scam them. Hey, everybody, please make sure you don't forget to pay the $500 that this live stream cost, okay? We take credit card, we take crypto, we take, you know, ass, cash, or grass, so you could also pay an ass. If you got a nice ass, come on over and you can get to work. God. Mind Over Trader says, apologize for being trash in broadcasting it. Oh, God. Dude, I want to see this little, I want to see him. Like, I want to see this person. Oh, they don't even have anything. Classic, just classic. Classic, classic. Classic. YouTube is it's just like such a crazy place that like people wake up in the morning and then they're like, today I'm gonna go on YouTube and I'm gonna tell everybody that Patrick Wieland's a scam. It's like, you got me, bro. You got me. Hey, everybody, I'm a scam. I scammed everybody here, man. I scammed everybody. Hey, everybody in the chat. I scammed you. Got you. Little do you guys know, y'all got scammed. Y'all, hey, I want to let everybody know y'all got scammed. You talk too much ICTT. All right, well, hey, Rob, bro, God, hey, I don't understand it. Like, trust me, guys, if I don't like somebody, if I think someone's a fucking moron, you know what I mean? Like, if somebody is a fucking moron, like, I wouldn't watch them live on YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't watch them. Like, I just don't get it. I don't understand. You know, like, I wouldn't watch that person. I would be like, hey, you know, this person sucks. I'm not gonna watch them anymore. I don't get it, you know? I just don't get it. It don't make any sense to me. Honestly, I'm like, okay, I get it. You don't like me. That's cool. But like, why are you here? I don't understand. Is this gonna be a bear flag? I'm gonna try a bear flag. Don't take this trade. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm retarded. Please don't copy me. Guys, please don't copy me. I have no idea what I'm doing. Please turn off the live stream. Stop watching. Please stop. Everybody, please stop. Don't watch. Please stop. Please. Please stop watching. Please stop it. Don't watch me, please. Please walk away. Turn it off. Don't copy me. I don't know what I'm doing. Please stop watching. Trying to get a bear flag to maybe try to get down there towards the 400s, but kind of chopping around here. We're either gonna get it or we're not, so we'll see. No bueno. Kind of stuck there now. I might just chop around some more. It's kind of getting some wicks on the bottom. You either gotta like, yeah, there's that kind of wicking on the 5-minute chart now. Stopped out there for now. It's kind of holding up there at the bottom of the range for now there. It kind of is what it is, man. I don't really know. We tried. Fucking look at that. It's so fucking stupid. Like that's honestly what I hate the most. Right? Like that just sucks. Sucks to get stopped out and then it dumps right back down. I'm gonna try a short one more time here. Can we get the follow through? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Just having some fun, man. We're just fucking around. Not financial advice. Like I said, don't copy me. The bear flag's there. It wants to go lower. It's stuck. Well, that was 20 points down there, 430s now. Someone said that I flip a coin to figure out to go long or short. You're not wrong. Sometimes I ask the magic 8 ball, actually. That works sometimes as well. I mean, that's a bear flag. So, I mean, I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. Like, I don't really know what to tell you. That was a bear flag, so. Patrick's trading micros. No, that was minis. That was 5 minis. That was 5 minis. From the 450s down there to the 418s. I don't know. Another terrible trade by the worst trader on YouTube. Gotta love it. Ugh. She's pulling back. 30-minute candle, big reversal back down here to fill the gap. That 400 level down there next. Not looking too hot right now on this breakout from earlier, right? So this is what the bulls did not want to see. I mean, like I said earlier, guys, like I could sit here and pretend to like not be trading and just like, you know, talking about ideas and just being like, hey, you know, look at me, everybody. I'm not, you know, I could pretend, but I think it's more fun to at least like show you guys trades. They're not always going to work out, to be honest, you know, like there's going to be days where you're going to get chopped up. I mean, I don't really know what people want me to do, to be honest. Like, I think it's more fun to see me putting on trades than to see me just not doing anything. I mean, all these trades a day, they're evals, you know, when I'm YOLOing 400 contracts, they're just Apex evals. Just like kind of something to trade, you know. So I don't know. It's also, the thing is, like, at the end of the day, like, I can sit here, you know, and just like call out, you know, oh, look at this fair value gap, and just like be Mr. fucking hindsight, you know, and just like call out trades all day and then be like, look, I told you. Right? Like I could just sit here and be like, okay, you know, like, hey guys, if we break through the 600s, we might go down here to the 400s next. You know what I mean? Like, I could do that. Like, I could just be that guy. I don't know if that would really help you at all. See, because the problem is, like, sitting here and telling you, oh, I'm gonna, if it breaks 600, it's gonna go to 400, right? Like that okay, it worked, but the problem is, you know, where did you get short at? Did you short here? Did you short here? You know, like, that's kind of like, it's one thing to talk about it, it's another thing to actually trade it. So someone said, talk less, trade more. Yeah, okay, go fuck yourself. Hey, look, it went back up. What kind of rims are those? They're Brixton forged. I'm so beautiful. I just want you to know that you're my baby girl. Someone said, I'm out. The whistling is annoying. Fuck, dude. Thank God you finally left. Now we can finally... That guy finally fucking left. Well, now we can finally have some fun, chat. Thank God. Thank fucking God. Woo! All right, let's get focused now. Here we go. Market pushing back up. All right, what's going to happen here next? Oh, all right, look at this push. All right, focus, people, focus. I mean, this is kind of looking like a bottom, to be honest. 5-minute chart pushing back up here. You got the VWAP there at the 530s. She going. See, like, you gotta kind of like, sometimes you just gotta laugh, right? I got short here, 450. I got cover there at the 18s. The low of that candle was 14. You know, sometimes you kind of laugh because there's days where you don't get filled, you miss it by 1 point. And then there's days like this where you get filled and you miss that whole rip back up, so. Kind of funny like that, huh? Ain't it kind of funny like that, chat? It's kind of funny like that when you think about it. It is funny like that. We got the ES pushing back up towards the pivot. We got the NASDAQ pushing back up. Got the VWAP there, the 25,005, 25,000 to 530, 540 area. So if you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We love to support when I can get it. So, hey guys, like I said, you know, I ain't perfect. There's gonna be plenty of times where the market ain't gonna do what I want it to do. You know, I've been doing this for 9 years now. For 9 years. If you go back on YouTube and you look at all the live streams and you fucking went from, you know, from now to the beginning, right? Just fucking go from now, fuck you, get out of the way, D-Money. You know, just like if you just scroll on through here, I mean, there are thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and, you know, like, look, I mean, it don't stop. It just keeps on going. Just keeps on going, man. Just look at it. It never stops. It just keeps on going. Forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. I mean, look at that. Look, I'm bald. Oh my God. Oh my, look at that fucking head. But yeah, I mean, it's like this is it, man. I've been doing this shit for just fucking years now. These haters, they've been hating. And I'm be out here just been doing it continuously. That's 6 years ago now. 7 years. You know, I mean, I don't know, you know. Been doing it live, man. And here I am now. I don't know if it's something to be sad. I don't know if I should be like sad or proud. I don't know if I wasted my life or if I fucking wasted my life. I think I definitely wasted my life. All right, well, NASDAQ pumping back up here now. NASDAQ pumping. Sorry. Just wanted to whistle, man. That's my song right there. Do 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 do. I ain't got all the answers. I'd say the majority of the time the market is just one big fuck fest, honestly. There's days where there's beauty, you know, in the sense that you can kind of, you're seeing the market good, you're seeing the patterns, you're seeing the opportunities, you make a little bit of money here and there, but the majority of the time it's just one big fuck fest, honestly. That is, people always ask me about trading, or they ask me like my advice on stuff, and I'm like, honestly, there's no fucking secret to it. I would say the people who find success in trading are the people who trade like a very kind of specific time frame, or they trade a very specific like setup, and that's all they trade, right? They just trade that every day. They make a couple $100, whatever it is, and then they go on with their day. Because, you know, it's just like, what are you gonna do? I think you look at it like this, right? You have the breakout, all right? That's from 600 to the 650s. That's 50 points you could have made right there, honestly. If you had 3 contracts, that's fucking plenty of money, you know? But then, you know, as the day goes on, you're just opening yourself up for more opportunities to get fucked. I would say the longer that you sit in front of the charts, the more chances that you're gonna blow up, the more chances that you're gonna fucking lose your account. Obviously, today is a good example of kind of, you know, we crushed, I wouldn't say maybe crushed, but we made money there at the open, and then after that, it's kind of like, well, now what? Do I keep trading? Well, I'm live on YouTube, so I can't really stop trading. But yeah, like if I could go back in time, well, maybe not go back in time, but if I could like kind of, if I wasn't gonna be a YouTuber and I was like, hey, I'm just gonna trade, honestly, like I think the 15-minute range breakout type of setup, just like trading that, getting 20 points a day, do the copy trading, make a little bit of money, you know, like that. Honestly, I'd say that's your best bet, right? You're not gonna get rich quick, but you can definitely make a little bit of extra money here and there. And that's like the God's honest truth. You know, if you can make a couple $100 a day, every day for a month, like I'd say fucking congratulations, you know, you're killing it. That's the fucking dream, right? Like that's it. But are you gonna make $1 billion trading? You know, I don't know. It's kind of up to you, I guess. Really, at the end of the day, that's all I got, really. People always want to like be like, man, Patrick, I had 20 accounts. I was so close to a big payout, but then I blew them all. I'm like, it happens. We've been there. I've been there. I don't even know how. Fuck. I don't even know how many times I've been there. That's the worst. The worst, right? You're up 20K or whatever it is, and you're all pumped up. You're fired up. You put on one more trade, just to blow it. You know, you're like, fuck, blew it. It's always that one more trade every fucking time. It's guaranteed. Guaranteed. One more trade every fucking time. It's never the rant, you know, it's never like, oh, the secret trade you don't know about. It's like, it's always that one more trade. Just if I can get one more. I'm up 9,000 on the day, and if I can make $5 more, I'll be happy. How does that work? Always works like that. I'm my biggest kryptonite is the fucking, dude, it's crazy. The whole numbers. Y'all do that? Y'all be doing that? I know y'all be doing that, right? Y'all know what I'm talking about? That whole number shit where you're like, let's say you're up $9,980 on the day. Well, what do? You don't walk away, right? Like, why would you walk away? You know, why would you walk away? Because, you know, you have to make at least 10,000. You gotta at least make, you know, 10,000. Like, God damn it. Every fucking time, man. Every time. It's guaranteed. That's how it's gonna happen, you know. It's kind of funny like that if you think about it. All right, NASDAQ, push it back up here above the 500s. You got the VWAP up there, 530, 520s. Maybe some more chop, maybe some more moves, maybe more nothing. Maybe more pump, more dump, more dump and then pump, more pump and then the dump. We got D-Money coming on later on, 1:30 p.m. for a little power hour. The power hour with D-Money been hot. Been a lot of people tuning in. If you have not tuned in, you might want to tune in. If you're still trading in the afternoon, why not listen and hang out with the BDH crew, D-Money in the house. That D-Money boy, he good. That boy good. NASDAQ chopping. Chop around here at the 500s. Will this be a big bear flag for a move back down? Did we pump? Did we dump? So many questions, so little time. Two-minute chart stuck there below those EMAs. If they start, you know, selling down, could be a little pullback, little pullback. It's a little pullback happening. Little pullback. A little pullback. It's a pullback, pullback, pullback. It's a problem, problem, problem. Got the VWAP right there, 530s. Kind of like putting in a higher low right now. 15-minute chart, wickety wick. Got this big wick there, but it's a tricky one. These whole numbers always get tricky. You get a lot of like chop around whole numbers. Just kind of like ripping and dipping and popping and pipping and lipping and lopping and tropping and ropping. You know what I mean? It's always a fuck fest. Always around those whole numbers. I don't know why, but people just, I think it's because people just love to like try to like, I don't know, fucking time the market. They're like, oh, I'm gonna put my order at the 80s, and then they get stopped out. Like, well, I'll put it back at the 90s, and then fucking didn't get it again. You know, so it's always something. It's always something, man. All right, I think I hit the consistency target on Lucid now. I think I got the consistency target now. I'm not sure, but I think. Let me see. I'm trying to do the math here. Trying to update the dashboard. Do the math. Oh, fuck. Are you kidding me? How much? Fuck me. No fucking way. 916. How much do I need to fucking... What? What the fuck? Fuck. Fucking fuck. I'm at 50%, 0.22. 50? Oh, maybe I can, I can upgrade. We good. Never mind. We good. Never mind. We good. That's the nice thing about Lucid is these are the Lucid Flex accounts and I can upgrade. Hopefully it doesn't show my fucking like address here. Let's see if we can do it. Submit. Yeah, it's pretty sick because you can actually upgrade. So now those accounts are actually ready to go. Hell yeah. Let's go, baby. So we passed those accounts in 2 days. 2 days to pass those accounts. Looks like they allow you to have like a little bit of a buffer because this one's at 53% and it's letting me upgrade. So shout out to Lucid for not being assholes and being like, you gotta get to the fucking, you gotta get there. So I did this in 2 days. Obviously we blew up, we reset yesterday, those accounts, but you can see 4,947 yesterday, and then today 4,903. So not bad. I take it. I take it. Right now, Lucid has a deal going on. It's 40% off for these Lucid Flex accounts. And I think they also have a deal that if you buy 5, you get a free reset. I think. I don't know for sure, but I think that's the idea. But yeah, they just launched these, and now we're funded with the Lucid Flex accounts. So I'm interested to see how that's going to go now. Oh, buddy, look at that. Doing it live on YouTube. And that's the great thing is, look, now I'm funded with the Lucid Flex accounts, and they're ready to go. I can start trading them same day. So I passed them this morning. You can see here, I passed those accounts this morning. We traded the open. And that's the thing too, right? Like I'm really good at trading like when there's momentum. Like if there's good momentum, I'll make money. But I know that I get fucked, you know, when we start chopping. So, you know, probably honestly for me, it's like I'd be better off just trading the first 30 minutes and then being done and not making any more trades, honestly. But yeah, we passed those accounts with Lucid now. They're ready to go. They'll be funded. If I refresh, it should show that I have brand new accounts there now. I'll show you how to set up the copy trading. Oh yeah. So now we're funded. Look at that, same day. I think Lucid's one of the only companies out there that allow you to trade same day, right? Or allow you to upgrade, no activation fee and all that. So for doing the groups on Tradeovate prop, very simple. Go to the top there, it'll say account, bang, right there. All right. So you go there, you click, ding, 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 ding. Maybe I'm gonna record this actually, because people always be like, Patrick, how do I do this? All right. So we've got 5 Lucid funded accounts. We just upgraded these the same day. These are the new Lucid Flex accounts. They are you're able to upgrade them during the day. So we passed them this morning trading the open, and now we've got 5 brand new Lucid Flex accounts. They're currently 40% off down below. No consistency, no daily loss limit. D-Money in the house. Lucid, let's go. So if people are asking, well, how do I set up the copy trading on Tradeovate Prop? Well, Tradeovate Prop, the biggest, the largest. That's the platform that I'm using for all of my prop firm fun stuff that I do here. So very simple idea. You just go up top there. Again, I think you can see it kind of, it's right there. Basically where your accounts are. Click on where your accounts are. Go here. Now that that's open, you're gonna go manage groups. Let's call the BDH, baby, BDH. Boom. Gotta pull that over here, pull that over here, pull that over here, pull that over here. And now you can see the account has been, the group has been set up. So now I've got my 5 accounts. With this, you really don't have to worry about it because you've only got 5, but like sometimes with other prop firms, you might have more accounts or vice versa. So now I've got my 5. I go ahead and just click on one of those. I click on the BDH, and well, if you want to put on a trade, let's say, do I want to try? We're right here at the VWAP. Could try for like a little scalp, maybe not, I don't know, maybe I'll wait till tomorrow. These are brand new accounts, I don't know if I want to blow them, but very simple, right? You just can click on there, it'll show that there's 1 contract. Well, that's because there's 5 accounts. 5 accounts, 1 contract per account. That, do the math. I'm not good at math, but that's the math. So 5 accounts, copy trading with Lucid, with Trade-of-8 prop, bang, bang, bang. Right now, 40% off those Lucid accounts. These are the brand new Flex accounts. You also, I think, you get a free reset if you buy 5 accounts. So you can have up to 5 funded accounts. You can also have some evals and backup and all that stuff as well. These are the 150K accounts. They have 150K. They've got some other 50K accounts and different sizes and all that. Right now, it's kind of holding up there. If you're wondering what EMA I have on the chart, I use just very simple. It's the EMA, 9 EMA. So I put the 9 EMA on there, right here. People ask me for a Trade-of-8 prop, bang, right? Oh, maybe I should take that long there. So that's your EMA, right? 9 EMA. You can add other stuff. What else do I have special on here? Not really much else. I keep it pretty simple. My current position, fills and orders, you can have that there for your different order lines. And like, if you put this here, you'll see that line across there. Well, if you want to activate that, just go up here and ding, 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 set that up. Also, by the way, if you're still watching and you're here right now, go ahead and hit that exit button. Exit and market cancel, right? That's just going to get you out of any trades. If you have any open orders, get rid of it. You do not, I make it a rule, right? I make it a rule, friends, that when I walk away, no matter what I'm doing, right, I'm gonna make sure that I'm hitting that button. I'm hitting the exit all, because that way it's like no matter what, I have no stop loss orders, I have no limit orders, I have nothing. Because sometimes the market's moving crazy, right? It does. The market starts moving crazy, and you're like, well, shit. You know, I left a stop limit order there, and it gets filled, and then you blow your account. I've been there. I've done that. I've actually done that with my real money account. I call my broker. I'm like, what the fuck? What the fuck? My account's at 0. And they're like, oh yeah, you had a trade last night. I'm like, what do you mean? I was sleeping. Like, no, you had a limit order that got executed. I'm like, oh no. I think I lost like $15,000 doing that one time. So please, if you're using Trade-of-8, it's very simple. Every day when you're done trading, go ahead and hit that exit at market cancel button. You know, you want to do that. I'm gonna try a little long here just for purposes of this video to see if we can't show you how this works with the copy trading now. You can see my order there. I'm trying to get long at the 513s. See if we get a little bit of a pullback there. Ugh. 12 o'clock, new hourly candle. Now it's gonna pump. You can see we kind of held those EMAs. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. Look at that. Now that's, oh yeah. Oh, she gone. She gone. Classic. Well, I'm not gonna go and FOMO into that now. So there it is. Lucid, the flex plans, they're popping. We got Trade-of-8, prop. Look at that. Oh, are you kidding me? Why? How does this happen? How does this happen? Just that 1 minute candle right there, 30 points. LOL. LOL. I really wanted to show you guys like an actual trade here, but I don't know if we're gonna like get a good, I just want to show you how it looks. I've got basically it'll be 1 contract per account. And it's just gonna go straight up. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Through the VWAP now, NASDAQ pushing up, ES pushed up, whatever. Sometimes you can get it, sometimes you can't. And see, I'd be worried. I don't want to, if I get long right here, now it's still going higher. Now I'm chasing it. I'm chasing it. I'm chasing it. Oh my Lord. I was trying to get long down here at the 513s. It's still going. That's it. That's all I got. Oh man, whatever. I'm gonna get out of here. There it is. Trade of 8 prop with Lucid. Right now, the flex plans. Use that code PW. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Tune in 9 a.m. live on YouTube. Well, peace. I'm gonna put that video up later on. Y'all see it later on here. You're like, you watched it happen live. That's how I film my videos. See how good I am? No script, no nothing. I just talk, man. I just know what I'm doing. I just know what I'm doing, you know? There is consistency in the trial phase, just not in the funded. Correct, Brandon. Shout out to Brandon, knowing what's up with Lucid there, so. All right, well, I'm, fucking, hey, look at this thing, ripping back up now. I wouldn't be surprised if we fucking make new highs end of day. D-Money gonna walk in here and just fucking make easy money now. It'll just be fucking grinding higher and be beautiful all the way back up. It'll be classic. You're gonna get D-Money gonna get so easy. All right, I gotta go. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to blow up that like button. And be back here later on for the D-Money Show at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. That's all I got. Big thank you guys for tuning in, enjoying the fire with me. You know, the market was up, it was down, it was all around, but hey, at least we got to enjoy the view, right? Just a little nice little morning with the boys at the BDH. So there it is. See y'all later. Peace to the Middle East. D-Money's up next at 1:30. You're gonna be crazy. You're gonna be wild. I hear him. I hear him. I hear him in there. He talking. All right, I'm out of here. Peace to the Middle East.